All right, everybody, we're back at Lake Verret. Another beautiful calm day on the water. We got a few in the box. Tommy's right there in the front. We're in Tommy's boat today. I got one little guy in there right now. So we're gonna try to catch a mess and get out of here before the rain. We'll be back. Better fish. That's a jumpy jumper. Meanwhile, I got one, had one. Oh yeah, that's a better one. We need a bunch more like him.
Well, that's what I caught. That's the same thing I caught right there in that same place.
Good fish.
Like the moving and the trip and the jerking on it.
Yeah, jerking and the flipping and the flopping. Let's see if we got this little hook thing going. Let's see if we can flip him.
That doesn't work for me.
Another goo. Right there's a goo, look at that. I knew it. Just fought really hard to not be a catfish. Or, I mean, not be a goo. No. Don't jerk. Oh. Got a better fish right here. Come miting at this guy.
Net coming.
Yeah. After he gets beat in the head 20 times. Good little fish. It'll work.
This is a catfish, not a halibut.
Hear that. There he is. Look at that. I can't fish when I have this on top of the ice chest. Gotta be a goo. World wants to know, what is it? Big goo. Had him? Got a double?
He hit it though. Hit it hard.
Has not been working today, boys.
He hit that ass hard.
Suck. Are you singing rap songs?
No.
Oh yeah.
I had it hanging over the side of the boat.
Hanging over the boat catch.
Trying to get a
Yeah, it's a bad day, huh? That one was hanging over the side while he was getting his cork. Wow. So I guess they're right here. We're on top of them. Oh, I was going for the double, man. The times are hard. Damn it. That was a perfect time for a double. Getting a little mess. 35th hook. Oh my God. Don't be a goo. Good size, I'll take those, I guess. Don't flip it out. Don't flip it out. Flip, flip, flip. Whoa, that was close. So we got one in the net right there. Nice fish. I was just about to ask, is there anything on this side? And you said, uh-huh. Good one there. Good cats. They're still biting, folks. We got a big storm coming this way. Trying to catch as many as we can. Good little channel cat. Uh-oh. Still got the hook in its mouth. Oh no. No! Oh, we had a double. Got another goo. Yep. No, don't get hung up on my other rod. That's just dumb. Why would you do that? Got this little guy getting better, talking to us. Get my saltwater rig out of here. Check him out, people. It's good fish. This new method of flipping, you don't really get to see the fish that good. Pretty one. Check him out. I know. Yup. Again on the $9 rod coming through. Got this light line, guys, so I think I'm gonna net this one. If I hoss him up in here with this light line, it's not a good idea.
Better. I think we have a much better selection of fish this time than we had the last time.
I don't know what he's talking about, but whatever. Blah, 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 selection, blah, blah.
Wah, 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 wah.
Oh, don't stick me. Good little fish. This off. We got a storm coming. Trying to get out of here before the storm comes. I know, me too, buddy. He's like, I'll let go of the hook if you let me go. And I was like, eh. Nice one. Alright, that was the long trying ordeal of getting a fish off the damn hook and getting caught in the net and stuff. Yeah, let go. Dang.
It could be.
Yeah, and he could have just ran in there. Could have ran in there and grabbed it, huh?
See, look at that. I was pulling it, and as I pulled it, he hit it. That's pretty good. Got a double?
Yeah. Great. Double is awesome.
Little bastard swallowed my hook.
I ain't getting that on film. Alright, so got one here. Tommy's got a broken rod or something happening down here on the ground.
Using that.
Good fish, but I thought it almost hung on a little log. Well, you see that crap? And he almost got killed by the trolling motor. No!
You hear me?
What?
I said you like you had to set the hook. It's been gone for 10 minutes.
Well,
He was shitting the hook by the time you said it.
no, you did not curse on my film.
On your video.
Oh my god, he ate it. No! Nah. Goo.
Huh?
Got a goo.
Jasper goo?
Yeah, look at that. Goop.
And you know what's funny? When you catch a goo and you want it to get off, it won't.
I know. Please get off, Mr. Goo.
Little cat. Look at yours.
Yep.
He's dancing too. You got him. He's on.
Not yet.
You want to pull his guts out.
Nope. See that? It's just nibbling on it.
Barely in the lip.
Cool. Oh, we had a double. This one's really little. Get a fillet off of him. Maybe. What do you think? Right there. Another one here.
Son of a bitch.
I'm gonna attempt to get back over there. Get this little fella. Ooh! In here. Now we're gonna get Tommy's line undone. This is the double rod method right here, only perfected by me. Ever. Hold it like this, you just wait. I think I might be hung right there though. That's unfortunate. Ah, I got free. Yeah. So you just hold them like this, and whichever one bites, you jerk that one. It's not rocket science, see? Hold them up. Oh, by the way, this is my new rod that I got. It's a Lew's Classic Speed Spool. I got it at Walmart for like 59 bucks. It's really great so far. So, now I just had the Black Max combo break on me, so I don't know what's up with that. We'll see. Got a decent
A
goo.
little better fish, yeah.
Let's look. Let's watch Tommy catch and squat and bend. Well, I got worms, and I have a hook and a cork. Why am I not catching the fish? Uh-huh.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Oh,
Anytime today, you can put him in the box.
I'm trying to. They got a backboard in the way. Oh,
Is that where you caught that?
I can't flip this one, guys. It's too big. Oh, I guess I could.
Nothing much. We're doing all right. We're not setting the world on fire, but we're doing all right. You catching?
Gotcha. How old is the battery on your truck?
2015.
Okay, one out of 100, I'm gonna get the plate off.
Yeah, just take. You don't have to. Yeah, just get the battery out of it. Yeah,
Another little,
might as well.
not a bad little fish.
You
This
might
is
as
gonna
well.
be messed up. It's a good one there. See?
Yep, it is.
That's only like, what, 6 months?
Pretty fish.
Maybe that. Yeah.
Alright, I don't have my tools, so I'll go to Garrett's house.
Yes. I saw Squishy's truck. bumping it along or just letting it sit?
Just letting it sit.
That acted like and sounded like a bass. You saw that?
Not the biggest little fish ever, but he'll keep, I guess. Oh, that did not work. Flipper fail. Try it again. Dang, look at that.
Where's your other part?
Oh, probably under the damn water. In a fish's throat.
What do you mean? Ooh. Things on the bush?
Trees.
Leaves.
Leaves? How many bushes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bushes.
Duty. Thanks. They did that? Oh yeah. Thank you. Ooh! Blue cat too. Look at that one, y'all. Pretty blue right there. Wow. Nice. He took off to the right really fast, but no. A little cat. Now that I have this backboard, seems to be working a little better. All right, touch. See at this fella, it looked like a little flea was hitting my line, like this flea, tap, tap, taparoo, tap, tap, taparoo. But it wasn't a flea, it was a little small fish. Oh, and he tap, tap, taparooed it. Don't throw it out. I left you some worm in there to eat. Here you go, guys. Little piece of worm.
I saw something. That's a big old
God
catfish.
damn it. Look at that thing. Whenever he bit it, he hauled butt V-line that way. Not Z-line, V-line. Goo.
Line.
Let's take a look at this goo real quick. Ooh. Get him up. Ooh, oh, he's heavy too. I guess he's gonna. Ooh. Trying to. There. These suckers, they like to bite in the fast moving water. See that? And there, hope you can see them. Fast, strong fish. Nah.
Looks like he's pulling pretty good.
It's just this rod. You son of a... No. Why? Look at that. Come on. Sucks, dude. I don't want goose. Now my thing is not working. Come on, let's go. We got to get this right. That was so funny that I didn't have a fish.
Feels a little better than that.
Think you're cool, don't you? Oh yeah, just keep on pulling them in. Throw right there, he says. All right, I'll throw right there. Yeah. Oh man.
Are you
Yeah.
recording? I'm gonna have to start throwing some fish in your box. I'm running out in mine. Your carcass. Oh, you're there.
Tommy's hung up. And then we got chaos because the boat's hitting the trees. Trying to break his line. His line is so strong. Jeez. All right, now we got it. You need me? Because I'm doing stuff.
Yeah.
Right by the boat. Can you flip me that thing?
The net?
Yeah. Oh, thanks. Just don't really want to hoist him in with this light line. As much of a burden as it is. The light line will break when I start to pull him up like this. Yeah.
It's like a good fish that come out of that little spot.
Yep.
Go back, huh?
It is a good one. I'll go back, you don't have to. 11:30, 12 o'clock.
It felt like a good fish, and then it broke loose and came. There's probably like a bush or something down there.
Looks like a nice one. Definitely a keeper. Tommy got another one as usual. Pretty fish there.
That's some good fish. So she's gotten money.
Got a little cat right there.
Does that, you videoing?
Mhm.
Okay.
Another little fella. Damn it.
You got off?
It's a goo again. What's with these goos, man? Shucks. I was hung, and then he swam up in some limbs. Had a fish, then he swam in some limbs, and then I got free. Look at that one. Woo! Let's get up in here. Oh my God! Oh no! Oh, that was lucky, bro. We got a double, baby. Let's go. Wow, that was. This line is just chewed up. Broke it off anyway. Needed to. It's coming in hot. Oh, I thought it was going to be a goo. Man, I just knew it was going to be a goo. I knew it was going to be a goo. It's not. I got a backboard now. Now I'm not going to throw them in the water. No. 2 feet. It says 2 feet.
French fry?
He might keep when I get a little fillet off of him. A little bit of a fillet.
Nailed it when it came back up.
think Tommy's catching here.
Son of a bitch!
Tommy broke his line. Trying to get a double right here, but both my little corks were going crazy. Got this little fella. Little ones, but a fillet, I guess. Since we're gonna be filleting, we might as well fillet them. You know what I mean? Whatever that means, I don't know. Uh-oh. Didn't work so great. Oh! Flipped him out. Oh! Nah, probably a goo.
No, it was a catfish. I can see him.
Oh, that's a good one. Good fish right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get us one.
That's your fish, huh? That's the one you had?
That's a good fish, yeah. Well, I don't know if that's the fish I had.
I'm pretty sure it is, because it says your name right on it. Thomas J.
Damn. That's a good one. Yeah, I'm gonna swing it to you, pull him off, put him in
Where
your
you
box.
at?
Payback coming to you.
Put him in there. Okay, we got this. We're gonna try to get this happening here. Let's go in there. In the yeah. Getting some fish. Just a couple there. They hadn't been biting, but I think we found a good spot. That little one probably just jumped in. I don't know how he got in there.
Throw over there at the base of that tree. Yeah.
I hope to be like you and catch there also. I wish that was the deal, that they were right there at the base of that tree.
Your cart is coming.
Oh, I didn't catch him though, because I suck at catching fish.
I was thinking about moving because I wasn't getting a bite right away. That's a good fish.
Yeah. A nice one right there. I like a lot like that. Seems like they're turning on a little bit, people. Not bad. Ooh, good little blue. The blue cats are awesome. Yeah, it's a pretty fish. Almost the biggest one of the day. All right, this is the last cast of the day. We have a big storm coming here. Hoping that we catch one on this cast. Oh, I'm getting a little nibble. Let's go. Last cast catch. Yeah. Woo. Last cast and tribute. I'm gonna hoist him up, hopefully. And let's go up. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. Drop the box. No. The line's gonna break.
It's just meant to be with all that
Just
action.
6 pound test line or whatever it is. Dang, sons. Oh, if it would have flipped in the water, that would have been perfect.